Another video, and today we're playing Ultimate Driving, and today we're going off-roading with my boy Max. Yeah, and let's go off-roading, Max. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go off-roading, man. Whee! Oh. Okay, bro. There's a stop sign. Stop sign over here. Did you just crash? Bruh.
I fell in here.
In where? Oh, that's the worst place to fall.
Here, but I was trying to fix my camera, and I flipped it.
Well, that's what happened when you look at your.
What the heck? I went to when it went to spawn me back because I was stuck again when I was flipped over. Guess what the game did? It just started making my car do like doing spins in the air.
Bruh. Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Yours is like 70, not 60. It's slow. I mean, you can't refuse again. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's right down. This is so annoying.
Bro, literally the game is like just not giving you a chance.
The game is like, no, you may not record this. Hey, at least the servers are day and night.
Yeah. Waiting, my bro. Waiting. Where are you going?
I'm stuck.
Actually, where did you go?
I'm up here, the roundabout area that you said was a blocking walk thing
Oh.
for a trail. I have to normal. Like, dude, this is the same one. Same off-road trail. This is like another end.
Okay, I'm going full speed. Speed and power.
I'm coming back.
I'm at the one that I showed you last time.
Being the one near West River.
No, you know the walk thing? I'll meet you at the entrance, okay?
Okay, I'm at the entrance of the one in West River.
Okay, I'll meet you there. I'm coming.
I just got hit by a Hellcat.
Bruh.
We're straight through this.
I see the Hellcat. Just passed by. That's my map. There's an FK cop car. Why the barrier? Why the barrier? Why the barrier? Okay, that off-road place is cursed. There's a Hellcat heading your way.
Hey, someone's doing road work on one of the lights, so he said, please no speeding. I guess I'll just stay in close to you or something before I go down the road. I didn't know yet. This is kind of cool. Rodeo. I didn't know they were doing road. I didn't know there was a job for it. I'm the you. See, that's the guy who hit me.
Yep.
That charger from my.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. This thing has a good suspension.
I don't manual. I work better with manual. I work better with automatic. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh.
We're tied up on how good we're doing. We're tied. We're tied.
I just hit a ramp. Let's go at the most dangerous. Okay, just follow me, okay?
The second way to go with that. That's like the one for like if you got a beefy truck like a Raptor. This is my bullet fucking.
Oh my god, you almost hit the lake. This way, this way.
Then my car bounced off of it.
Yeah, good thing. Okay, you might need to slow down this part because this is. I'm gonna go there.
Guardrails. I don't think you can bang that. Go to the up one, the one that goes up.
Yeah, that's what the spot. But hold on, I'm gonna take it in a difficult way.
We're just off-roading. Once we're done with this, we're gonna go racing.
Yeah. Oh, oh, whoa.
I fell off the mountain.
You-
Off the mountain.
Already?
No, my car is like, I hit an invisible object and my car just bounced off.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Bro?
Stuck on nothing. How am I stuck on?
Oh, okay, okay. I had to...
Back up, but I'm coming up from the road I saw.
Oh. Okay.
Back on the road I got kicked off of.
Oh, I see you, I see you.
Yeah, that's where I fell off. Right where I'm. Right where I was.
Oh, you got hit by a bump.
Wait, no, sorry.
Oh, oh, no. Oh, no, oh, no. Oh, ah!
Makes no sense. I really need to make these rims smaller. I like the curve and the where the terrain is.
I should
But I
get...
don't like how hard this part is.
I should get more beefy tires. Oh, 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 oh,
I used to turn. Oh wait.
bro, this is what a professional do.
Reverse, sorry. Dude, I'm doing this in reverse. It's hard. I'm in reverse.
Why are you up there? How did you get up there that fast?
Horsepower.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm coming up there.
My Jeep is stuck.
That was a big mistake buying this truck, but it's my dream truck, so why not? Oh, this is dangerous.
This is a little too powerful. Elbow liquor.
Bro, I didn't even notice how dangerous this is.
We were at Elbow Liquor Pass.
Wait, what? Oh, 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 oh!
Oh, it's Veneros. Who named the stuff?
Ah.
St. Nero. Yeah, it's like crazy.
I falling off a cliff.
Oh. No. Come on. No, turn off. Come down. The Narrows. And then go down. Don't speed up. Don't go crazy fast. Because if you go crazy fast, you're going to end up like me.
Wait, what do you mean end up like you? Okay, I'm coming. Bro, I am coming, but literally, I'm in this. I'm coming. Just
No, it fell. In the ocean.
till you just moved a single move.
No, it's like shot itself off. I would try and reverse it. It somehow, and for some reason, decided to start going down the mountain. So now I'm going up.
Come on, more power! Oh, not again! Oh, this time I fall off of the water. Upside down. Oh, I'm dead. Bro, do you see me? Oh my god! I discovered a glitch. Oh no. Oh, come on. Oh, that's me. Maybe this spot is not this.
5 miles an hour up this. This thing is speed really fast.
How is that a fourth gear? Let's not go to that place because I keep falling at the same spot. Bro, I said I keep falling at the same spot. Okay, bro, I'm coming. Oh.
Elbow liquor passes. Danger. Elbow liquor pass.
Okay, so there's one spot that I keep falling off, and I don't got enough speed just for my Bronco to get up. This is the same spot. This is the same spot. Oh no! Oh,
Just grab my, get my Jeep.
this thing is how we draw. Oh no, no, not again!
That was perfect. I heard you say not again, and right when you said that, I just like you're disconnected because I'm assuming you just fell down a mountain. So it was perfect.
Oh my god! I'm getting a brand new car. I'm getting a brand new car. This Bronco failed big time.
My Jeep, it's a 2020 Jeep.
Yeah, I already got that. Okay, I'm just gonna.
On it. It's really good. It's a little too powerful. When you're in reverse, it's really bad. Just don't do this stuff in reverse. It's fine. You're good.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for warning me. Thank you. Should I get my older Bronco that got some beefy suspension?
How do you do that?
No, not golden Bronco. Old Bronco.
Oh, no, Jeep. What are you doing? I look at hit the brakes and the Jeep just left itself to fall. Now it's really cool, bro. That's so cool.
Should I get it? Okay, I got the Jeep, but I need to paint it to my color.
I am sitting here waiting for you.
Okay.
Right now, this is last guest 123020. Joy. Who invited the last ever guest?
I don't know.
Both guests.
Well, I'm coming your way in a. I'm coming your way in the coolest Jeep ever.
I fell off the mountain
Again?
again.
Come on.
Yes, again. I am. You know that road that's near the oil plant that we were at?
Uh huh.
Go down that road till you get to that tunnel, and once you get to the tunnel, you see a Jeep that's on its side.
Oh.
I'm not moving in place.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, heaven for you to fall over. Or you fall off your face. Yay. My Jeep went over that.
Not again.
Myself over again. Jeep is so disappointing.
Okay, let's go.
D2, D3, D4.
Me five.
I beat the only generation. Bro, that's the old one. That's the old model.
Well, I got the.
2020. You have the 2012.
Yeah, but it works fine. Oh, you're not lying. It is. It is worth it. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, the Jeep hates me. Oh, the Jeep hates me. Oh, God.
Yeah, I'm going the wrong way.
Yeah, you are.
Might be fast.
Oh, the suspension is kind of realistic in this one.
It's a good setting. Plus, this Jeep is actually really small, and so like you can fit in really small places. Wait, what? My steering just broke. My
Uh-oh.
steering still working. I was turning, but somehow for some reason when I moved to accelerate, steering was locked or something. It was rolled off the side of the
Do you just... Oh, my God. Okay. It's supposed to be an off-roading video, but... Yeah, I'm at the spot, but... Oh, my God. Oh...
steering on this Jeep is so bad. I hate it. This steering is so bad.
Yeah.
Or was it just that road that was like blocking the steering?
Oh.
Oh wow.
The Jeep is too wide. 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 Oh no. Oh,
Pass.
I'm stuck.
Stop recording, right?
Oh no, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
What?
We're both stuck. Oh no, not again, not again. Oh, not again!
as your headlights is hitting the tree. I see smoke coming out of the bush or whatever that is. I saw smoke for a second.
Okay, this time speed and power. An invisible wall.
What's apparently called B1? Shifting, now I'm B5. 60-something miles an hour, but I lost all that. Like, put some guardrail. Ow. Let me go first.
You wanna go first? Okay, go first. Go. Go.
Recording, right?
Yeah, I'm still recording. But that hell.
Say, it's still recording, just cut that out. That would be really annoying to hear the whole time. Just, like, are you still recording? That'd be really annoying.
Like if I'm talking to you, I'm still recording. Come on, speed and power. Oh, no, not again! Oh, this time I'm falling into the ocean.
I'm up. Oh, what?
I
I'm getting these weird bumps that cause you to like, no, come on. But what is this path?
I
Trail for a person, not a car. I mean, it'd be good for a biker. Off-road bikes, which I actually have one.
okay.
No, come on, dude. No.
Maybe the Jeep is not the right answer.
No, it's because I keep somehow my car started reversing. I think it's because my sticky keys. It doesn't work out to remove that. What if sticky keys was just a lie? It was just something that PC companies had to make people mad when they're gaming over the time.
Okay. Dodge Ram, please don't fail me right now.
My steering died.
Did it die on the worst time?
Yeah. Now this looks like a flood. This is the perfect height for a flood. This is the perfect height for a flood. Honestly, it's a perfect height.
Okay, I'm coming in my Dodge Ram. Because this thing got some horsepower.
Look at the image I sent. That's the perfect height for a car in a flood. For water to get in a car in a flood.
Okay.
Perfect height. That's the average. I'm assuming it'd be the average height for water to get in a car in a flood. Not say like very good expansion. Probably destroy every single part of the car except for the probably destroy everything on a car.
Okay, I'm coming up.
It's struggling now. I don't know why. Right when you spawn in that Jeep, I'm struggling. It's 4:33 already. Bro, do you want to just chill on the mountain once we get there? If we do get there, that is.
Yeah, sure.
I'm not stopping until we get to the top.
Yeah, that's the main goal.
Or an ad. This would be perfect for like an ad for real life, like the new riding in model.
Yeah.
Whatever, it's really annoying. The ad.
Uh-oh. I don't think this is... I don't think a Dodge Ram is good for off-roading.
Why Jeep is starting to give up? Why Jeep? Why, buddy? Why? No! I'm falling in the water again.
Bruh.
And now I'm
Oh, the Dodge Ram is too big.
I think I'd rather see this for the rest of my life than watch.
Oh, yes! No, yes!
My car wasn't even driving anymore for a second.
Yes,
My car
yeah.
came back later, though. I think my car was like.
Yeah! Not again!
But it was a big yay, not sadness. I thought it was a good thing.
Bro, my Dodge Ram gave up on me. Well, my only choice has come.
I'm not giving up until I get up there. I want a good screenshot, like that'd be perfect. An SUV.
Oh my god!
Bro, that's a nightmare and a half. Why? Why so annoying.
How do
I
you?
know the side is smooth. How come every other path here is smooth? Smoothened out. Says no rocks. But then a couple of paths that are like the cars. I mean, my steering died or something. I think my keyboard's dead or something.
Well, bro, here's something I'm going to bring. Okay, I got two more vehicles to try. Two more.
4, 5. No! It's the turn. It's this one corner that keeps taking me out. I'm done.
Yeah, yeah. Just choose a different car.
No, it's my fell off. It's like I'm stuck. If I hadn't gotten stuck, I would have been perfect. It would have been perfect.
Okay, this truck is small and long, so this better be the choice.
There's a minivan up there.
Yeah.
You know what I want to do now?
What?
I'm thinking of this is a one dude.
What?
Lloyd's. I think can't involve Tiny Hill.
Oh my god, I see your Jeep. I literally see your Jeep literally on the side. And then it just disappeared.
See how good the Miata is. See how good the Miata is at this. Like going up the mountain.
I mean, there's a off.
The night.
Uh,
The night.
yeah. Okay, this truck is good for this.
Actually, not too bad. It's good. It's actually doing pretty well. Pretty so many. Actually, it seems like good.
Oh no, I'm stuck. I made a mistake. It's okay.
My Miata's caught. Oh my god. I was going up a tiny hill. Now I'm concerned. My Miata's struggling. Just like, oh, just the gating speed. Jeez. Stuck on that. It's going up and down, down, up,
Wait, is that?
down, down,
Wait.
down, down, down. It's still
Is
down.
that you in a black Miata? Oh wait.
Black Miata?
I literally see you. I literally see you. Bro,
Miatas is doing pretty good actually.
bro, look up on the side of the cliff.
I locked my car just in case if I default them out, my character's gonna be yeet.
Like yeet.
It's really small. Wait, dude, the Miata's perfect. It's small. They got good handling. Wouldn't really struggle. It's 4 horsepower on this car.
Oh no. Okay.
This thing's already struggling.
Oh, this.
No. Game.
No!
Beyblade.
My truck is dead.
So the flip button shot me from out. I hate that flip button. I'm not using the flip button again. Ever. I'm mad now. I'm sick of it.
What vehicle actually made it up there?
So annoying. I wanna beat something. Bruh, it's not. Pretty good. The 2020 model is pretty good. That thing, it didn't have bad handling. Pretty good handling. And the Miata is meant for good handling. It's trying to sell good handling. Small car.
Mm-hmm. Bro, I should have bought the 2022 like Ford F-150.
I can't afford any car. My money at 3,000.
Bro, there's a new Mustang. Bro.
What are they kidding me? I touched a rock and my car fails.
Bruh.
Touched a rock. The car just like, no. I can't even get over a rock.
Oh, I see the 2020. I see the 2020 model. Oh.
Miata, you need to fix your cars. Mazda, you gotta fix your cars. At least make them a little better on performance.
Okay, I'm trying. Okay, I'm going for. Oh,
Actually, driving is fake. All Steve does is just drive and die.
bruh.
And die. I'm done with that Miata. I'm done. I'm grabbing the other Miata. The other Miata I have.
Ah! Wait. Hey,
Hey, should I do it in the golf cart?
wait. No.
It takes 0 seconds to get to 60 kilometers. It's only 25 miles an hour.
Bruh.
I'm losing my mind slowly. This mountain's making me lose my mind.
I know.
Bro, this thing's better with road. This thing's better with inward. But like, their roads are usually really small.
Bro,
Like, what's the point of having this car locked? People literally just jump over the seat and just copy.
I don't know what's the best car, but I think
Rihanna, it's actually not struggling. It's really struggling with that hill. Shouldn't really struggle.
I think we might have found the hardest hill to get on.
I'm not struggling. It's like even if I beat this thing in a Miata, I'll be actually kind of happy. Right? It's gonna be kind of cool too.
Uh huh.
Actually, they both look pretty good. They're horrible. The other one's horrible. This one isn't even really struggling. See? This one's not even really. I think I just high center on it. Never mind.
Do you just high center?
How did my car turn different directions?
Hey, bro. What happened if I take a minivan up in the mountains?
Oh, no, don't do it. It's like torture.
What happened if?
I'm gliding down the mountain. I'm trying to drive up the mountain and my car's just rolling.
What happened? What happened if I do it? Let. What happened if I put a minivan up there? Like, I'm gonna try.
Abandoned my Miata. It's an abandoned Miata. This one's been sitting for like 30 years. Minivan? Drive a bus up the mountain.
A bus?
A bus.
Oh no.
You know that bus that came out with that update? Oh, you can't even paint this thing.
Is it a school bus?
That's a waste if you can't paint the bus. That one from that
What type of bus?
party bus. Oh, I hate the party bus. I don't like it. Hey, this is gonna actually have an interior that's like really high.
Oh no. Bro, why?
I have nitrous. Forgot about that.
My minivan is already struggling up in the hill.
Bruh, my bus, but this thing is like tops out at 80 miles an hour, and I'm using my nitrous by the way. I have nitrous on a bus. Yes, I do.
Bruh.
I just like I'm already 90. I broke my speed balance.
Oh my guys, see it. There's no way that will work.
Oh, and this thing can't even go through the corners, so I'm practically not gonna be able to make it. This thing's so big it can't make the corners.
Bro. I'm taking my minivan up in the ocean.
Bit of nos. Bruh, this thing actually pretty good. Bruh, how? How is a bus doing it, but not a Miata? This thing's massive. This thing is thick.
Bro, I'm literally struggling already just to get up in the mountain. I'm gonna
What movie you? He's good videos. I've already hired him.
and bro,
Come up here, come up here.
okay, I'm coming. Just give me a minute. You showed up, ass. But my minivan is just can't. It cannot even turn. It's a front wheel drive. It cannot even turn. This is one of the worst minivan ever made.
Look at my bus. Look at my bus.
Okay, I'm coming.
You shall not pass my roof. Right on the mountain, and then you'll see a bus blocking the see.
My minivan now is stuck.
My cars names are
Oh, it's all-wheel drive.
in GTA.
Bro, my
GTA
my
Forza.
bro, can you come down here and look how my minivan is stuck?
Probably my other car, my lithium Infinity Hybrid G50.
Okay, there we go. I got it unstuck. Bro, this is one of the worst car ever made. Bro, it can barely go up a hill. I'm literally up in the... Bro, it doesn't... Bro, look. It doesn't even go up. It doesn't even go up. Okay, you know what? You know what I'm about to do? Ah! Okay, hold on.
I was gonna say hot bait so I can show you the bus.
Yeah, hold on. I need to take this out. Just stick it up in the water. Ocean, take it. Hey! Wait for me.
I was trying to hit the brakes, but the brakes failed.
That's what the minivan deserves. Okay, I'm in.
You're like, I like crashing vehicles, not like that. I like crashing in my See if my high on I can make it. I can't even make it back.
And you mean
Nice to know that.
you mean yeah, like is it unnecessary? I know. Uh-huh. Bro, the minivan though is worse at turning and worse at climbing hills. I recommend y'all guys not to use that minivan. It's one of the worst minivan in the world. I mean, it's better for RPs, but it's one of the worst where do you just...
How was this fan? Wait, no. It is on my bus. My bus was like hanging. It was like touching the rocks sideways.
like,
And it was also hanging off of the
bruh. I'm gonna go in my garage. Bruh, like, bruh, that minivan
It was a
is...
sedan doing it. How was a sedan with an average engine doing it? How was a bus kind of doing it? How was the bus kind of doing it? I mean, the bus was kind of beating my Miatas. And
Okay, now this is a challenge. Who can make it up in the car? Like, let's just say, who can make it up? The first car that can actually make it up there wins. Oh my god. Okay, so I guess a Toyota Sequoia or something. I'm gonna try to. No, it's not. No, Toyota Sequoia is a new one. This one's a. I don't know what type of Toyota is this. Oh, this, bro, this car is actually good at off-roading. It's taking it. Bruh. Yeah. Oh, I see you. Oh, I saw your car. Yeah, it just... No, it's not the Miata. It's like the sedan that you just got stuck in one rock. Hyundai.
I mean, if I wasn't stuck on that rock like always, I mean, that's the one thing that keeps us straight in the town, that one rock. My bus was fine until it hit that rock. Bro, what the heck, my steering... Bro, it's so dark I can't even see the frame.
Well, I can. Oh!
Head like. Is this a Ford? It's like a Ford version of a Bronco. Why is it not despawning my Miata? It despawns everything else but my Miata. I want that Miata to despawn.
Maybe you didn't put a parking brake. You should kept the engine on.
It's right on all. How is this thing not dying?
Okay, I'm waiting.
How come Karen can't? We haven't heard from Cameron lately.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, that's
That thing's empty. I want that car. What is it called? I want it. I like those things. So.
it. Only at 15K.
How is it already daytime?
Day cycle. How is it already failure?
The shadows say
Okay.
Bronco! What is wrong with my Bronco? It was doing fine until there. I'll not go back to my Jeep. I'm done. I'm finished. My back to my Jeep. Back to my Jeep. Oh, what if I bought one? Oh, I can't afford one.
Literally drink this car. Why did it fail? It just.
Like, met that one corner. If I hadn't hit that corner, I probably would be at the top by now, and I probably would have won. Why is all my steering on my car broken? No screen recorder. What is happening? Why is my screen recorder doing that to me? My thingy keeps glitching out.
Oh, come on. Bro, literally, it's not going. It's not going.
What was that? What was that? My Jeep just like started like turning by itself.
Oh.
2021 again.
Oh, you know what? You know what? Are you still down there?
My goodness, I want to get rid of that
Frick,
Miata.
frick this car.
Seriously want to get rid of it.
Frick.
That Miata makes me mad. Where you at?
I'm all the way to the bottom.
No. Hey, what is wrong with that corner? Like these cars hate that one corner.
Facts. Okay, I'm definitely getting this Bronco. This Bronco better do something. This Bronco better do something.
Jeep, I'm pretty sure it was Jeep or what was the Ford that created the first Bronco. And the Jeep Bronco is cool just because there's X lines. What? I got blocked by an invisible barrier. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Stop.
I'm not gonna end the video until. Okay.
Mad. I'm actually really mad. I'm mad. I'm mad.
Oh my god, I see you. I'm just like.
Come on, dude. It's horrible. I hate my cars. I don't even have that many consoles. I'm more just RP and just roleplay. RP cars. Oh, my steering snapped again. What is wrong? I'm mad. I'm actually really mad.
Bro, just chill.
It's in reverse.
Bro, take a chill pill.
It's in reverse. Why is this happening?
I'm definitely putting this into a video. No.
I want to burn this keyboard.
Not.
If it was here, then they'd be burning the airplane. Which means I would lose everything. Which means I would be destroying everything I had.
Nah, don't. Wait. How can this one Bronco makes it? How can this one Bronco makes it?
That's my first one. But it's just Jeep's acceleration. It's making me too powerful. Just happy to go right on this Jeep. And it's way too tall. Why is it so tall? I mean, that bus wouldn't have made it. Because, like, look how tall, look how short it is.
Bro, I found a winner. I already found a winner.
Who's in your car?
Yes, that.
No. What's happening?
Bro, the Jeep is not working. You should buy this Bronco. Come on.
It's like something's happening when I'm steering or something.
Okay, there you go. No.
What's happening?
Oh. Why it doesn't want to reverse? Why it doesn't want to reverse?
Why can't I move? I'm stuck in one spot.
Oh, okay. No, don't. Okay. Finally.
I
You just.
really mad at Dev. I'm getting shot off the mountain when I'm trying to do something with my friend. I keep getting shot off the mountain by an invisible force.
Bro, I think I know how to. You just got literally yeeted off the mountain. Bro, literally the Bronco just took it as a champ.
Like, maybe the Dev made it so there's only like a person there.
Just take it slow. Slow. Take it slow.
Just send it. There was this one part you didn't really have to send it.
Okay, which part should I take? I'm gonna take this spot. I'm gonna take this spot.
The whole thing.
What?
That's dangerous.
Danger is my middle name.
If you're doing it, I'm doing it.
Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Take it, take it.
I'm on the top. What? I ain't got the game is still made it up there, so
Not again! Not again! Oh my god!
water. It's not fair. But it's mountain, it wasn't fair. But I think we're on the wrong mountain. I think that's what. We're on the wrong mountain.
No, it's not just the mountain. I accidentally hit the acceleration and literally just yeet it off myself. Okay.
I made that up and then all that, and then I got shot off by a, and then I got shot off by an unknown force.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay, guys. Thank you guys for what. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to buy this Bronco because this is one of the best Broncos. And make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification for more of this content. My friend just so long. Ah!